out. It's a tool like you would find in any other job, and USB microphones are just a very simple tool, like a multi-tool.
Yeah.
Whereas if you go see a mechanic's not going to do much with a multi-tool. He or she will have an entire range of specialty tools, so they can choose exactly the right piece for what they need.
I totally agree with that. And that's actually also a really good, way to illustrate that, that comparison. Absolutely.
So I'd like to go ahead and maybe bust a few myths right now. Now, my first statement / question here is, do you need an expensive mic to work professionally? And you both touched upon that a little while ago. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this.
The microphone, to me, is the third most important thing in the chain. So, you don't have to have an expensive microphone to work professionally. What you really need is the ability to deliver and communicate copy effectively, first and foremost. Yeah. Then you need a space, an environment that can also work in a, can sound professional. Yeah. Because the microphone is really the third most important thing in that chain. So, if you were to give a lower quality microphone to somebody who's been doing this for 20 years, and they can probably get a pretty good sound out of it, and they'll still be able to communicate that message effectively to where, there's a reason why some people, when they're on the road, travel with a little Apogee USB mic, and actually some of the things that they do go to air with that microphone. And it's because they know what they're doing. So, that's the real issue lies is that when newer people to the business think that they can get away with a cheaper, less expensive microphone, they quickly realize that, they think it's a cheap microphone, but it's not really that part of it that's making them less effective. It's that they haven't had all the other stuff in between and a good quality room to work in.
Yeah, and would it be fair to say that the microphone in that list of three is a distant third as well, behind those first two? I mean, it's a long way down.